As the sun graces us with its radiant presence, it's vital to revel in its warmth while also safeguarding one's hair from its potentially deleterious effects. Sun damage to your precious locks can be subtle but pervasive, necessitating proactive measures to counteract its pernicious influence. This discourse endeavors to elucidate the intricate art of protecting your hair from the scorching embrace of the sun, amalgamating science and sensibility to your benefit. 1. Invest in a stellar sunscreen. Just as you shield your skin from the sun's UV rays, your hair deserves the same consideration. Employ a hair sunscreen that is imbued with UV filters, such as avobenzone or octyl methoxycinnamate. These ingredients create a veritable barrier, thwarting the harmful rays from penetrating your hair cuticles and causing havoc. Remember, a little diligence in choosing the right product can go a long way in preserving your hair's integrity. 2. Opt for a stylish sun hat. A sartorially impeccable solution to the scorching sun is donning a chic sun hat. Not only does it exude an air of sophistication, but it also provides substantial shade for your locks. Seek out hats with a tight weave that obstructs UV rays effectively. A wide-brimmed hat adorned with panache not only shelters your hair but also adds an air of mystique to your summertime ensemble. 3. Embrace the power of moisture. Just as parched deserts yearn for a refreshing downpour, your hair craves moisture to counteract the desiccating effects of the sun. Invest in a high-quality hydrating conditioner or mask to replenish the moisture lost during sun exposure. Opt for products infused with natural ingredients like aloe vera or coconut oil, which possess inherent hydrating virtues, rejuvenating your tresses with aplomb. 4. Employ silk scarves for elegance and defense. Elevate your hair protection game by incorporating silk scarves into your arsenal. Not only do they serve as a fashion-forward accessory, but they also shield your hair from the sun's wrath. The smooth texture of silk reduces friction and prevents hair breakage, while also acting as a barrier against UV rays. Wrap it with flair or drape it artfully. The choice is yours. 5. Rinse with cool water. After a sun-drenched day, treat your hair to a refreshing cool water rinse. This is an age-old remedy that closes the hair cuticles, sealing in moisture and minimizing damage. Cool water helps soothe the scalp and reduces the risk of UV-induced dryness and brittleness. It's a simple yet efficacious step in your hair protection routine. 6. Nourishment from within. Optimal hair health is an inside-out affair. Consume foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals such as vitamin E, vitamin C, and biotin. These nutrients fortify your hair, rendering it more resilient against external aggressors like the sun. Nutrient-dense choices like leafy greens, nuts, and avocados can bestow a radiant sheen upon your mane. 7. Trim for triumph. Prune away split ends and damaged strands with regular trims. By doing so, you're not only improving the overall health of your hair, but also preventing further damage from progressing. Regular maintenance is akin to fortifying the battlements of a castle against impending siege. 8. Ditch hot styling tools. During the sun-soaked months, consider giving your hot styling tools a hiatus. Curling irons, straighteners, and blow dryers can compound the effects of sun damage, leading to brittle, fragile hair. Opt for heat-free styling alternatives that allow your hair to recover and flourish naturally. 9. Embrace protective hairstyles. Braids, buns, and twists are not only fashion-forward, but also serve as a protective cocoon for your hair. These styles minimize sun exposure and prevent your locks from becoming susceptible to sun damage. Experiment with intricate styles that not only safeguard your tresses, but also showcase your creativity. Conclusion: shielding your hair from the sun's potent rays is an endeavor that demands both care and commitment. Employing a multi-pronged approach, encompassing sunscreens, stylish accessories, nourishing products, and mindful practices, can enable you to bask in the sun's glow without compromising the health and vitality of your hair. As you venture forth into the sun-drenched world, remember that an investment in hair protection is an investment in the enduring beauty of your locks. So, equip yourself with the knowledge and tools to beat the heat and keep your tresses radiant. Follow us for more information.